What's up, guys? My name is Bryan Carreto. I'm a CPA that helps simplify all things accounting related for you. And today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why I think you should study accounting. And to get straight into it, I think the number one reason why I think in 2025, getting an accounting degree is probably one of the best decisions you can make if you decide to go to the college route is the practical skills you're going to learn in college. And not only that, especially once you start working, once you start going, whether you go the public accounting route, which I highly recommend usually, especially if you're just getting out of college, or the corporate accounting route, the practical skills you learn in accounting is something that you can take with you wherever you end up going, whatever you end up doing long term. The practicality of accounting, the whole sole purpose and the only reason why you should be going to college is to learn a valuable skill or trade that you learn that you could then trade your time or services in exchange for a high paying wage in the marketplace. That's it. I don't care if you own your own business. I don't care if you go work for someone. The number one thing you should ask yourself, especially when choosing a major in college, which I hope all of you become CPAs because I've had a tremendous career, and this is why I made this whole channel, is to preach about accounting and teach accounting related topics and make them easier for you, is that the only reason that you should be getting a college degree is to learn a valuable skill or trade that you can then exchange your time or services in exchange for a high paying wage. Again, regardless if you own your own business, if you want to come up with a service product, whatever you end up doing, you should ask yourself that. Is the thing I'm learning right now in college, the thing that I'm investing so much time, money, and energy into, is it teaching me a valuable skill or trade that I can then, as soon as I graduate, provide someone a service or provide someone a trade or provide someone a good that can help me exchange that for a good compensation? A good example of this is engineering, nursing. Obviously, I'm going to preach about accounting, but the practicality of it, and I think when it comes to actually teaching you a trade or a skill in college, I think accounting, bar none, is probably one of the best degrees you can get. The second reason why I think accounting is probably one of the best degrees you can get in 2025 is the skills you build not only in college, but right when you graduate. Those first 2 years of your career are critical in your development as an overall CPA, as a future CPA, and as a young accountant. Because I remember in school, they would always tell me accounting is the language of business. And that cannot be farther from the truth. No matter what you end up doing, no matter if you go down the CPA route, if you do accounting and you want to do something else, irrespective of whatever you end up doing, if you're going into some type of business, which we pretty much all are, the skills you build, like reading financial statements, learning debits and credits, understanding journal entries, that is literally in every single business. I don't care what they do. I don't care if they sell widgets. I don't care if they provide services. I don't care if whatever they end up doing, the skills you build are so transferable, especially, again, if you end up going down the public accounting route after you graduate. Those first 2-3 years are so critical in your career because you can parlay those skills into something else, whatever it is that you want to end up doing. And the third reason why, and I think probably one of the most important ones, is the opportunities, in my opinion, that are going to come up in the next 3, 5, and 10 years. I read a stat the other day that currently right now, I think like 75% of the CPAs currently right now are set to retire within the next 5 to 10 years. 75% of of all the CPAs right now in the next 5 to 10 years are set to retire. That's insane. That's crazy. And I can tell you right now, we have such a shortage of highly skilled, highly trained CPAs and accountants that can deliver quality client service, whether within a business or providing services like audit, tax, consulting to various different companies. I can't tell you how much opportunity is going to come up, and I can already see it now, how much of a shortage we have in highly skilled people to deliver on the current workload that we currently have. And I know the topic of AI comes up a lot, and I will make a whole separate video on this, but I think AI is actually going to be a good thing for accounting in the sense that it's going to take away a lot of the monotonous things that we have to do, and it's going to make us more value add as far as being able to analyze financial information, financial data, and being able to help business owners like ourselves, like whoever it is that you're working for, or if you own your own company, whatever you do, help them make decisions based on the financial information that you're looking at. So I get this question a lot. Is accounting a good degree still in 2025? I think it's a fantastic degree choice. Do I think the profession's going to change in the next 5 to 10 years? 100% it is, because of, again, tools like AI. I think tools like just the software aspect of it and the technology side of it. I think we should start focusing on that as current CPAs, as future CPAs also, to start thinking about how the profession is going to change. But if I think accounting is a great career choice in 2025, I think it's a heck of a career choice. I think it's one of the best decisions I ever made in my career. The skills I built, the relationships I've had, and the career I've been able to have in the past 10 years has been incredible. The people I've been able to meet, the places I've been able to go to, is literally all because I learned that debits were on the left and credits were on the right. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash the like button below. Till next time, peace.